Are you looking to trade funded account and keep up to 70 to 90% of the profit you generate? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do that in the HyroTrader and how to request the withdrawal. So let's get into it. So right now we are in my HyroTrader portal, and as you can see, I got two challenges in here. Challenges are in the stage 3. It means that it's already funded account after passing phase 1 and phase 2. So let's have a look into the dashboard. I click into the show details and I need to agree with these terms and conditions. I submit that. It's just for the first time and I must confirm that I have read the rules. As you can see, I have clicked through the rules too quickly, and I suggest you don't do that and read your rules properly, and I will remind you about them right now. So the rules are in here and you can see them anytime. So what's very important in here, you have 5 minutes from entering to the trade to set up your stop loss. Maximum risk per trade should not exceed the 3% of the initial balance. Daily drawdown is a 5%. Maximum loss is set to the 10%. Maximum exposure is set to the 25% of your initial balance. I will show you in the ByBit platform what does it mean and how to protect yourself from breaching this rule. And the cumulative open position should not exceed twice of the initial balance. Let's go to the platform right now and I will show you how to avoid breaching these rules. Okay, we are in the platform right now and this trade is just for the purpose of the example, no technical analysis. Let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at the 98k. I want to take profit here around the 100k and I got stop loss 96k 500. So I need to take that I want to set up my stop loss immediately when entering the position, so I will avoid a breach from not having a stop loss, right? I'm going to click into this and I'm going to set up everything in here. I will not take care about a take profit because it really doesn't matter at this moment, but let's look for the stop loss, right? So my stop loss will be 96k 500, right? Right now I need to adjust my position, and as you can see, I can do it by adjusting this tool, and it's showing me my potential stop loss value and the cost, right? So in here we can see a value and the cost, right? That's a value of our trade. At this moment, value of this trade is 88,000, right? This value should not exceed 2 times my initial balance. So this value should not be 200k, right? And of course, you do not want to bet everything into one trade. Also, the cost should not exceed 25% of my account. So this should not be 25,000, right? If I increase, you can see, if I open the trade like this, it's immediately failed challenge. So I need to keep my positions in a check, right? Now the position size, I can adjust it in here, and as you can see, if I'm moving it, it's giving me the value and the cost. Let's go back to the rules. In here we can see the cumulative value of all trades should not exceed twice my account, and the maximum exposure should not be more than 25% of my balance, right? So in the platform, this value should not be 200k if my account is a 100k, and this cost should not be 25,000 if my account is 100k, but it's all combined from all the trades. So you should be careful with your position sizing and the risk, right? So this is what you need to keep in a check for the all trade combined together. And right now, risk per trade, you can see in here, I can see how much I would lose if the price reach my stop loss. It's going to be 800 and something, right? If I increase the position size, of course my risk is also growing, right? I can do it in here, but you really do not want to change your stop loss distance, right? Because you want to have your stop loss based on your market structure. Sometimes your stop loss will be bigger, sometimes smaller. If you're not trading with the fixed stop loss, then you need to adjust a position size correctly. And the last rule is a 30 days inactivity rule. So you need to be sure that you are basically trading actively at least once per 30 days. Alright, so that's about the rules. I think it's a pretty clear. Alright, so we are back in the HyroTrader challenge dashboard. You will see all the informations about your trading in here. You will see your profit, your daily drawdown, which is reset every midnight, and your maximum loss. Right? You can see your trading statistics, your winning ratio, your close trades, right? Here is one trade, and right now I will show you demonstration how to request the payout. At this stage, we as the traders are eligible for the 70% profit split, but it can increase every 3 months by 5% up to 90%. Before we requesting payout, all our trades must be closed. Minimum payout request is 100 and maximum payout request is a 5% from the initial balance. Okay, so let's request the payout. I'm clicking here. So here is the recapitulation. I got 1300 profit and I will get a 70% of that, which is $957. I can choose if I want to get paid in the USDT or USDC, right? USDT is a TRC, which is a Tron chain, which is a fastest and the cheapest, right? Now I put my address. I need to generate invoice, right? Invoice is generated and then you send request. You can see it's processing and the payout will come in the 12 to 24 hours. So the payout request has been sent, and in this stage you should refrain from opening new trades until the funded account will reset and you can start over again. Alright my friends, so I hope this was helpful and I wish you a great success in your trading journey. If you have any questions, don't forget to drop them in the comment section and subscribe for the next crypto trading tutorials. See you next time.